This is a Request Spectrum game. This is Bugaboo the Flea, also known as something rather in Spanish, I don't know. Lair. Something rather. A polga. It's a flea. So why not have the Spanish flea music? It's a Spanish game. Come on, let's start. What's going on? Exciting start to the game. We're attacked by a giant blue sphere. Got to warn you, I'm not pissed, but I am incredibly feeling frustrated. And I hear this is a fucking frustrating game. Well, I was swearing already. Oh, fucking hell, look at it. Stupid controls. This is Spanish by Paco and Paco. Fantastic, right. I think G starts. Oh, fuck off. Don't spoil it for me, I'm not started yet. Oh, you bastard. Look at this. He's a nippy bastard, isn't he? I take it that's our mate for the flea. This is a demo mode. I took too long to work out the what's going on, so it's doing it all by itself. Piece of shit. That's probably. I was let it do it. That's what it's doing. I just pretend it's me. Oh no! Oh, it's me. I'm controlling it. Even though I didn't want to do anything. Anyway, here we go. Says Mr. Flea. You gotta get him out of this ravine. Fuck, he can jump, can't he? Don't jump with much control. I'll tell you something, he can jump a lot further than Eddie Eagle Edwards could. World famous downhill ski jumper. Get out of it, you fucking flea. Shitting hell! That's gotta hurt. I don't care how strong these fleas are. You jump that far and you smack your head, that hurts. Ah, you bastard's ass. Does this tune ever stop? Oh, I'm stuck down here again. I'm gonna be stuck down here a very long time. Oh, fuck off. There's a power bar that suggests how far you go, which is never enough. It's a good game if you like smacking your head on walls. Wish that fucking music would stop. It must be on repeat. Oh, for fuck's sake. Come on. Oh, fuck off! No, you cocking piece of shit. Oh, at least that tune stopped. No, it's off again. Oh, fuck off. Right, come on, flea, come on. Oh, fuck it. Let's go another way. What's this purple? Does that kill you? No. Bow. Fuck, what a jump that was. Shitting hell. Fuck yeah, this flea, he can jump when he wants to. Shit, I've been eaten by is that a fucking dragon? Just when I was getting into it, I've been eaten. Is that it? Is that it, lads? Is that the end of the game? Nothing's happening, so I assume that's the end of the game. Well, I'll tell you something, for the age, this was, I think it's like quite an early game, Spectrum game, at 1984. Bloody fast. The scrolling's a bit shit, but sheesh, that flea can jump, can't he? Frustrating as hell. Probably right when you get into it, if you like smacking your head against, jumping up and down, smacking your head against things, fantastic. If you like being eaten by unconvincing yellow dragony things as well, you know, it's the game for you. 5 out of 10, there you go, that's a request by, oh fuck, some bastard, some nice person. I don't know, I can't remember, sorry chap, I wrote it down and I've forgotten to have it handy, so I'll make a note of that. Anyway, 5 out of 10, there you go, now fuck off music.